Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel under the Plums, a free MCQ series of UPSC. So on daily basis, 5 MCQs will be dealt. Today's MCQs are related to CSAT. In the CSAT, we are going to deal MCQs related to math, aptitude and reasoning. So in the same way, 5 MCQs are to be dealt daily by different faculty of Vysh IAS. So if you practice the right way with us at 9 p.m. daily, then no one can stop you from clearing this exam. So apart from this, there are lots of free content, free lectures which are already present in the Vysh IAS YouTube channel. If you want to have a free access to this, you need to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, and you can save this number, that is 7200681675, and you can send this code called UPSC free to this WhatsApp number. So you'll get the foundational videos, and also you can ask your queries related to Vysh IAS YouTube channel. So let's start MCQ number 1. Prakash travelled 1500 kilometers by air, which formed 2/5 of the trip. 1/3 of the whole trip he travelled by train, and the rest of the journey he performed by car. The distance travelled by the car was. So let me write the data. So Prakash travelled 1500 kilometers by air, which is 2/5. So 2/5 of the total. Let's take the total distance as D. So 2/5 of the total distance is nothing but 1500 kilometers. So if you calculate this equation, what you will get? 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 15, 0. So the total distance is 5 0s 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 37. So total distance is 3750. So Prakash travelled 2/5 of the his journey by air, and 1/3 of the total journey by the train, and the rest of the total journey he performed by car. So the rest journey is 1 minus the distance he covered by car is nothing but 1 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. So what will get the resultant 1? The resultant will be 1 minus, if you take LCM, 5 3 is 15, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. 15 minus 11 is nothing but 4, 4 by 15. So through the car he travelled 4 by 15 of the total distance. Okay, 4 by 15th of the total distance by car. Total distance is nothing but 3750 as we have calculated. If you calculate this equation, 5 3 is 15, 5 7 is 35, 2 will be remaining, 5 5 is 25, 0. Again, 750 by 3 is nothing but 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, that is 250. So here you will get it as 250. 250 into 4 is nothing but 1000. So the distance he travelled by car is nothing but 1000 kilometers. So option number A for question number 1 is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. 15 men can complete a piece of work in 9 days. In how many days will 27 men can complete the same work? So there is a formula, right? Number of men, M1, into the piece of the work he can do in 9 days. So number of days is equal to men 2 into D2. So this is the formula. Number of men in the first case is 15, and the days that is taken by 15 men to complete a piece of work is 9 days. In the second case, 27 men worked. So we have to find the number of days in the second case. So if you calculate this, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. So he'll take 5 days. So option B is the correct answer for question number 2. MCQ number 3. Anand gives 35% of the money he had to his wife, and gave 50% of the money he had to his sons. Remaining amount of 12,000 he kept for himself. What was the total amount of the money Anand had? Okay. So he have given 35% to his wife, 50% to his 50% to this sons. Okay, the remaining percentage which is left out with him is, so this is total 85. So 15% of the total is left out with him. 15% of the total, let's take it as X. So this value is 12,000. Okay. So if you calculate this, X will become 80,000. Okay. 80,000 is the correct answer for question number 3. That is option number C is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. 3 pipes A, B, C can fill a cistern in 8 hours. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B fill it in 9 hours more. The time taken by C alone to fill the cistern is. So this is a little typical question. So listen it carefully. So 3 pipes A, B, C can fill a cistern in 8 hours. So A, B and C can will take 8 hours to finish the work. After working at it together for 2 hours, so in 1 hour they can finish 1/8 of the work. So A, B, C can finish the work in 1 hour, the 1/8 of the work in 1 hour. Okay. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B can fill it in a 9 hours more. So A and B and C together worked for 2 hours. It means that for 1 hour, in 1 hour they finished 1/8 of the work. In 2 hours they'll finish 2 into 1/8. That is nothing but 1/4 of the work is finished. Okay. In 2 hours, A, B and C can finish 1/4 of the work. Okay. It means how much work is still left out? 1 minus 1/4 of work is left out. Okay. It is nothing but 3/4 of this work is still left out, and this 3/4 of the work is done by A and B in 9 hours. Okay. They take 9 hours more to complete this 3/4 of the work. The remaining work, that is 3/4, is done by A and B together in 9 hours. Okay. In 1 hour, A and B can, so in 9 hours if they finish 3/4 of the work, in 1 hour they'll finish 3/4 into 9. Okay. In 1 hour, A and B can finish the work, that is 3/4 into 9. Okay. If you calculate this, 3 ones are 3 threes are, that is 1/12. Okay. In 1 hour, A and B can together finish 1/12 of the work. Okay. Okay. A, B, C together can finish in 1 hour 1/8 of the work. A and B can finish 1/12 of the work. C can finish how much in 1 hour, how much portion of the work that C can finish is 1/12 plus C is equal to 1/8. Okay. 1/12 plus C is nothing but 1/8. 1/12 plus C's work is equal to 1/8. So if you calculate this, 1/8 minus 1/12, if you take LCM, we'll get it as 24. 8 3 are 24, 12 2 are 24, that is 1/24. Okay, we'll get it as 1/24. So in 1 hour, C can finish 1/24 of the work. In order to finish the total work, C will take 24 hours of time, right? So 24 hours is the correct answer for question number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5, the final MCQs of today's series. Sandeep starts a business with 36,000. After a certain period of time, he is joined by Dhanu, who invests rupees 27,000 at the end of the year. They divided the profit in the ratio 8:3. For what period did Dhanu join Sandeep? Okay, the profit ratio, okay, P1. Okay, profit of the Sandeep by profit of the Dhanu is nothing but they have given it as 8/3. So the profit ratio will be in the terms of investment into time by investment into time. So the investment kept by Sandeep is 36,000 for the period of 1 year, that is 12 months. Okay, and the investment kept by Dhanu, that is 27,000, and the period is not given. That is something which you have to find out. So I am taking it as X. So if you calculate this equation, we'll get it as 3 ones are 3 nines are 27, and this 3 zeros and this 3 zeros gets cancelled. Further, if you calculate, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So we'll get X value as 6. So Dhanu joined Sandeep by investing 27,000 after 6 months. So 6 months is the correct answer for the question number 5. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed and you have liked today's MCQs. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Tomorrow let's meet with another faculty with another subject. Okay, until then, take care. Bye bye.